lunges. Facing this way. Feet and shoulder apart. Lift foot forward first. Down. Back. Down. Notice my knees. So when I go beyond my foot forward, my knees doesn't go beyond my toes. And up. Same manner with your right leg. My knees doesn't go beyond my toes. Lunges. There. There. Specific target for lunges is for your butt or glutes.